for joining me today in my studio. Before I get to the video, I just wanted to show you a couple things that I've been working on lately. You've probably seen that I've been doing a little bit of different things with the pearl cells and Dutch pours together. So actually been kind of playing around with some interference colors. It is in this painting as well, but they didn't really show through very well. But I did want to show you what those interference colors do over top of like a darker color. So I'm going to be playing around with that a little bit more in some coming videos. But I really love the way that this interference blue looks on this black base. It's really cool. So that was a tester. Here's another tester I did with those interference colors. You can see that that shift is just really pretty. And then if you're on my Instagram, you saw the creation video of this one. This was actually just, I was testing too to see if I did the pearl cell technique first, kind of let that set up a little bit, and then what would happen if I did a Dutch pour over top of it. So this was my tester, and I had some people ask me when did I put the gold in, and the gold actually is the interference color that looks white when you pour it on the canvas, but it dries this really, really pretty gold. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so that is another thing I've been working on. Now I did try the interference gold on white, so I'm gonna get a little closer, and it did create those neat pearl cells and the webbing that I was looking for, but it's just very, very subtle. So I'm gonna keep working on that. I think it's a really cool effect. It might be a cool background, but I'm gonna keep working on that. So what I am going to be doing today is just kind of more experimenting with the Dutch pour and the pearl cells and that cloud mixture. So I had someone ask me to do the Dutch pour with just laying the base coat for the Dutch pour, and then just blowing my colors as I would normally. Because the paints are pretty thin in this consistency, I didn't blow the white over the colors. I just blew the colors up. So you'll see what happens. I did already do it. I did already film it, so I know what the results are. So I hope you like the video. Please let me know in the comments. Stick around. I will have the wet results and the dry results, a video of both. So yeah, and thank you for being here. I appreciate all of you so much. Please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, share with anybody who you think might like this. All right, let's get painting. Okay, here is a close-up. I really, really love these colors. They're very, very pretty, kind of pastel-y colors together. These really nice cells that happened, that gold and the, I think it's called, I'd have to check on the name of that green. It is an Art Alchemy color that I added in. I think it's Dragonfly maybe. So pretty. I love it. I love how it looks so pretty. And then I mixed that gold with a little bit of the interference gold. So I think over here you can kind of see it when it's laid over these darker colors. Just that really pretty shift. So yeah. Over here. And then there's just a ton of lacing up here on the top. It came through here. I love that part right there. It looks so pretty. Those cells. And that lacing. The lacing went all the way through the top, and I love how it's just a little cloudy on the edges up there. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. So pull out so you can kind of see this. This is a 10 by 20. I was kind of testing out consistencies for the paint, and oh, you hear my dog. Sorry, he's trying to get my attention. But yeah, I think it worked out pretty good. I think it's pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.